Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I realized after editing this video that I didn't really have much of an intro, so I just wanted to pop in and say hello. We're going to start off a lake weekend in my life. We had a lot of really exciting plans last weekend. My parents hosted a dinner party on Friday, and then we had Connor's whole entire family up on Sunday, so it's a lot of entertaining in this vlog, but we are going to jump right into Anne making her famous lemonade pie, which if you listen to the podcast you would have heard us talk about. So she's going to give us a little tutorial, and then I'm gonna roll into sharing more details on the dinner party. But be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this little lake vlog, and I am excited for some new vlogs coming up very soon, going away this weekend, so I'm excited to document that. But yeah, enjoy the video.
This is super fun. We're gonna make lemonade pie, which has been a favorite of ours forever. You need pecan Sandies, a package of that. Put it in a Ziploc bag. You need evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and 2 containers of Cool Whip that you thaw, and then a container of lemonade concentrate, 2 pie pans, Reynolds wrap. You need a huge bowl. I think this is probably too big, but it's kind of a good one. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is, you could use a food processor, but I'm just gonna smash the pecan Sandies. And the nice thing about it is it makes 2 pies. Okay. You could also buy 2 crusts if you wanted that were like a graham cracker, but I like the pecan Sandies because they're a little bit different. Once you've smashed them all up, and you can even kind of crumble them a little bit. And the other thing that I like about this crust is you don't have to add anything to it. There's no butter, nothing. I don't have a food processor here, but I think it would probably be easier than that. But
Yeah.
Super easy. And then you kind of split it in half. So easy.
We're in our cooking show era.
And then just press it down.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. Look at that.
Fold the cheese, David.
Fold the cheese. The other thing is get some cute pie plates.
Totally.
Because the reason I don't like to buy the ready-made ones is because you can tell they're just like in a tin.
Yeah.
So that's why I like these pretty pie pans. Next, you're just gonna mix all these things together. Can of milk, lemonade.
Ooh, love.
So easy. 2 containers of this. It also really helps if you thaw you have to thaw the Cool Whip, because you see why you need a big bowl. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
See in there?
Yeah, we can see that.
Also, I just bought these wooden spoons.
I really like them.
And they're dipped in white, and they're new. They're from Amazon.
Super cute.
Because I cleaned out our kitchen, and I love them. Okay. So look, can you see that? How it's all
Yeah.
white. It's all mixed together.
That looks so good. Good job, Anne.
You might use a spatula here if you wanted, but
Kind of even out the top. Yeah.
look at this.
Look at you go.
And then we're gonna put it in the freezer, and then just take it out 5 or 10 minutes before you're gonna serve it to let it thaw just a little bit so you can cut it. And the crust will be a little crumbly, but it's pretty frozen, so it stays intact. And then I also like to use, for the rest of this, raspberries.
Oh yeah.
I put a few raspberries next to it. Look at this.
That looks so good.
That's it. This looks so good.
Oh my gosh,
You
delicious.
could even slice some lemons. I might do that. Slice
Yeah.
some lemons and put it on top
Put it
if
on
you
top.
want it to look pretty. The other thing you could do, maybe I should have done this, is get 2 packs of pecan Sandies and then sprinkle some of that on top
Yeah.
before you serve it, because
yeah.
it's very plain on top, but I'll probably put some raspberries.
But it leaves a good canvas to kind of like garnish it how you'd like.
Yes, you could do blueberries, you could do strawberries, you could do
Anything you want. I love it. So thank you for sharing. Is this most
You're
of it?
so welcome. That's it. I'm gonna put Reynolds wrap on top of it, stick it in the freezer, and then it'll be ready for the party.
Oh my gosh, and I will leave the recipe details in the description box. I'm off camera, hello everyone, because I'm tanning, but we still have our cooking show. Thanks, Ann.
You're welcome.
Hello friends, welcome back to the vlog. It's Friday evening here at the lake house. We are in the middle of dinner party planning. My parents are having two of their couple friends over for dinner. Elizabeth and I are obviously not staying, but I have just been assisting and watching my mom all day. So we made the lemon pie, which you guys saw, and then obviously the table spread is absolutely gorgeous. She went with a ginger jar and orange theme, which is just fabulous. And she cooked all the food, pretty much prepared everything. So they're heading over here at 6. They're just finishing some stuff up on the patio. And then Elizabeth and I are gonna figure out something to do tonight. I kind of just got ready. I was going to go out tonight, but then I was like, you know what? I just wanna chill. So this is my look for this evening. I'm just gonna rest you right here. Okay, so this is my look. I just have this white top on that I always wear from J.Crew with the little puff sleeves. I have this KJP sweater that they actually sent me over my shoulders. It's so precious. It says Aperol Summer, which is so fitting. And then if it gets chillier, I can just put this over my, like I can actually wear it. White pants are from J.Crew, Hermes sandals as usual. And then I'm wearing my friend Abby's new earrings from her Lazy Lurch collection. She sent these to me, so perfect. So like kind of just a casual summer look. I just threw my hair back because honestly, with the humidity and the heat, it's not even worth doing it. But it's gonna be the start of a summer weekend in my life. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'm so excited to share everything that we do today. Hi guys.
Maybe zoom in with the...
Hi. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool too.
Okay.
Hey. Hi guys. So we just started our evening. We went to this place right near our house and had a drink, and then we are now at this winery, which we've actually never been to. We've come to the orchard before for like fresh produce and in the fall, but we've always wanted to try the actual vineyard winery. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I called ahead and they said you could just walk in. So our parents are having their dinner party tonight. Oh my God, are we in Tuscany?
Wait, are we?
This is beautiful.
Oh wait, look at this, look at this. Coming in hot.
Coming in. I'm obsessed. Is this our new little spot? No, they're grapes, honey.
No, I actually think they're apples.
Okay, or maybe they are. So we're gonna be here because my parents have their dinner party with their friends, so we're just gonna be out of the house all day, but we're trying all these fun new things around the town.
Wait, I love this. I just saw
Don't you love this?
This is
we
really
didn't feel like going home to like go out because it's just a pretty night here, and
Wait,
we really
show them this. Show them this.
Wow.
I'm gonna park up there.
This is really pretty. I feel like I'm on vacay. You can have weddings here.
Great idea. Great idea.
Great idea. Love to see it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys.
Hi.
We're here.
This is so summery and fun. Oh, you could sit outside. Friends, happy Saturday. This is literally the only time I've picked up the camera today, but it was so relaxing. It ended up being a really rainy day, which I feel like the past like 3 Saturdays have been super rainy, but it was nice because I got so much done. I feel like we've had something every single night for the past few nights, and today we didn't, and it was just a good reset day. I also feel like the past couple weekends I've been staying downtown with Claire and Connor, so it was nice to just like be up here. And I got a lot done for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so if you want to check out some of my pics from the sale, my mom and I actually went in store. I have a whole video on it before this. And then we recorded the podcast this evening. And then tomorrow we are actually doing some more entertaining. We are having Connor's entire family up to our lake house, like his brothers, their wives. He has one niece, Nora, who's almost a year, so her birthday is actually this weekend, which is why everyone's in town. His grandma's coming. It's also her birthday this weekend, or this week, and then his mom's birthday is this week. So there's 3 birthdays. So everyone's in town to celebrate. So they're coming up tomorrow at 11 o'clock for lunch and the day. And I'm happy because it actually just said that it was going to clear up. So I don't think it's going to rain, which means we can like go to the beach and go out on the jet skis. So my mom is downstairs currently working on setting up the table and repurposing some of the flowers from Friday night's dinner party for tomorrow's centerpiece, which is so darling. I can't wait to show you guys. It's such a simple idea for like a kids themed beach day. You'll see it when I show you tomorrow, but I think I'm just going to take a quick shower and get into bed and start editing the podcast so far. I'm happy we did it today because normally we do it Sunday night, but we just have a big day tomorrow, so my mom was like, we need to do it today, which was good. I think I'm just gonna get started editing that so I don't really have to worry about it tomorrow and I can just have like a fun summer's day. But that was pretty much all you missed for the Saturday. I just worked on stuff, got ahead, finalized some outfits for my trip next weekend, which I'm excited to share. So all good things, but I'm just gonna get ready for bed and pick back up the camera tomorrow and share everything that we get up to with Connor's family. It should be super fun and just a wonderful like lake day. All enjoyed this video. I really loved sharing it with you all and it was such a fun weekend. Be sure to subscribe if you are not already and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.